Welcome back. John Paulson became a household name after betting that mortgage debt was egregiously mispriced during the housing bubble. After those days, he turned to gold, betting that fiscal and monetary stimulus would devalue the dollar. And as you can see from the chart here, since 2009, when he launched that bet, the price of gold has quadrupled. And Paulson is now pressing the bet, now set to become co-chair of Nova Gold, whose shares are up 3.5% on this news today, alongside another man who has made his fortune betting on precious metals as well, and who currently serves as Nova Gold's chairman, Thomas Kaplan, who we hope will join us shortly. John, it's great to have you here. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Great to be here.
And let's just start with as gold is about $1,000 or so off its highs this year, this parabolic move had everyone captivated. Now it's undergone a bit of a reset. Do you have conviction that 5,000, 10,000, where is gold going? And is it still driven by the same forces that you originally identified, years ago?
Yes, great question. It's true. It's come off a little bit from its high this year, but it's also up 20 plus over 20% over the last year. So I do think we're in the beginnings or the early stages of a long-term bull market for gold. And gold is becoming, the most sought after reserve currency in the world, replacing fiat currencies. So as people lose faith in paper currencies, gold as an alternative will continue to grow. And the demand for central banks, for instance, has stayed strong, as has the private sector. So I think the trend of gold will continue to be on the upside.
Are there any other ways to express, this is a very common and popular view, especially among younger investors. This was a Bitcoin kind of original motivation and things like that. The idea that dollar debasement is happening, that you have to protect yourself from it. A lot of us can sit in the U.S. and in a way not, we benefit. I guess if you're an asset owner, your real estate prices go up, your stock prices go up. Yes, inflation has been a factor as well. But are there any other ways that you would want to express this point of view?
I think the greatest way to invest is to invest in early stage gold stocks. So Nova Gold, the reason why we're so focused on Nova Gold and why we announced the merger today is Nova Gold has 40 million ounces of gold indicated and measured resources and reserves. At the market cap of $4.2 billion, you're buying gold in the ground at only $119 per ounce, vis-a-vis the gold price of $4,200. So you only pay less than 3% of the gold price. So I think it's the best way to play gold is through stocks like Nova Gold, if not Nova Gold itself.